Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Staten Island, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about deck railings, wood, metal, and glass, and how to choose what makes sense for your home. Railings are more than decoration. They are a safety system that frames the whole deck, so it is worth understanding your choices before you build. First, the basics. On most raised decks, building codes require railings once you reach a certain height above the ground. The rail has to meet a set height, and the spaces between balusters must be small enough that kids cannot slip through. Strong posts, solid connections to the framing, and the right fasteners are what keep the railing sturdy when someone leans or bumps into it. Let's start with wood railings. A wood rail typically uses posts, top and bottom rails, and balusters made from lumber. It can be built to match a wood deck surface and painted or stained to fit your home. Wood railings can be a good choice when you like a traditional look and are comfortable with regular maintenance. In Staten Island's weather, that usually means cleaning and refinishing on a schedule to protect against moisture and sun. Next up is metal, often aluminum. Aluminum rail systems come in pre-finished sections with posts, rails, and balusters designed to work together. They are popular because they are strong, relatively light, and do not need staining or painting the way raw wood does. With a baked-on finish, they resist rust and peeling, and their slimmer profiles keep views from the deck more open than many bulkier wood designs. Glass and cable railings are all about preserving views. Glass panels sit between posts and give you a clear look at your yard, pool, or water if you are near the shore. Cable systems run tension stainless steel cables horizontally or vertically between posts to create a barrier that still feels open. Both styles require careful installation so the posts and top rails can handle tension and wind without too much movement. When done right, they can look clean and modern while still being safe. Your deck surface also plays a role. Many homeowners who choose composite decking want a railing that lines up with the same low-maintenance approach. Composite boards from a brand like Trex are often paired with aluminum or composite railing systems that match or complement the deck color. That way, you get a complete package where both the surface and the railings are built to handle weather with basic cleaning instead of constant refinishing. If you would like help choosing the right railing for your project, you can reach Tough Deck Builders Staten Island at 929-323-2422 or visit toughdeckbuildersstatenisland.com to learn more about our deck and railing installation services. We help homeowners across Staten Island match structure, safety, and style so the finished deck feels solid, looks clean, and stays comfortable to use year after year. Thanks for listening, and we will talk again soon.